I'm Len Allington from Smith Partners Real Estate. Welcome to number 13, Valour Court in Golden Grove. Come join me on the tour of this beautiful 4-bedroom home. So the home is set on an elevated corner allotment of approximately 830 square metres, overlooking Cobbler Creek Sanctuary. You've got beautiful improvements all the way through, both bathrooms and kitchen being fully renovated. You've got this lovely outdoor entertaining area, in-ground pool, built-in barbecue with mains gas and water. Close to the Golden Fields Recreation Park, you're obviously got Cobbler Creek on your doorstep. You're only a few minutes to the Grove Shopping Centre with the school precinct. So for more information, just give me a call. Have a look online for up and coming inspection times.